Presenting the 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. Lieutenant, if you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include stability control, passenger vanity mirror, Bluetooth connection, AM/FM stereo, tow hitch, 4-wheel disc brakes, and driver illuminated vanity mirror. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.